In this Enterprise Agent Pro tip, I'm going to walk through the easiest way to test out Zebra's StageNow XML without having to push it through an MDM. Let's get started. So the origin for this pro tip is from a Zebra dev talk that Ian Hutton did a couple years back. I saw this and I've used it a number of times since then to run XML without having to deploy it through an MDM or test out XML that I've generated through StageNow to make sure it works correctly. For this example, let's pick a setting. So I'm going to go to Zebra StageNow documentation, look at the dark theme setting, which is always an easy one to tell whether it's working or not. And I will go to Visual Studio Code. So I created some XML here based on this. So the characteristics UI manager, parameters dark theme, set it to 1, which turns dark theme on. So I'm going to save this file to my desktop. Then I'm going to go over to a terminal window and I have a device that I have connected here. So I'm going to do ADB push that XML file, which is myxml.xml, to SD card / myxml.xml. And that'll push the file down. So that is now on my device. So I'm going to flip over to my device here. And this device is a Zebra device. It has StageNow running. So I'm going to open up StageNow. There's a barcode that Ian had in his presentation that I snagged a copy of, and you can snag this copy from the screen here. So I will take this and scan this specific barcode, and it will run that XML file that is downloaded to SD card. So I'm going to exit here. You can see dark theme is now enabled on my device where it was disabled. If I want to do the opposite, I could flip this back to 2 to disable dark theme. File save. Run the process one more time. And on my device, I will scan this barcode via StageNow. It ran successfully. You can see the dark theme is now turned off. So this is the easiest way to test out XML on your Zebra Android devices if you don't want to try deploying it through an MDM. Good luck.